In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the speech recognition settings in Perplexity. Whether you're personalizing your language settings for convenience or trying to optimize performance, understanding how to navigate these adjustments can be incredibly useful. Let's dive into the process step by step to make it as straightforward as possible. First, open your browser and head to the Google website. This might seem quite basic, but it's the starting point for accessing a vast array of resources, including the Perplexity platform itself. Once Google is open, you'll need to type in Perplexity into the search bar. Doing this will provide you with a list of related web pages from which you can select the official site. It's always a good practice to double-check the URL, ensuring you are visiting the legitimate website to maintain your online security. Once the search results are displayed, look through them and click on the link to the Perplexity website. This will direct you to the home page of the Perplexity platform. Navigating from a search engine might become second nature after you do it a few times, but it's always helpful to know where to go directly to save time in the future. After arriving on the Perplexity website, look towards the lower left-hand corner of the page, where you will find your profile icon. Click on this icon to access your account details and settings. This area of the platform houses all your personal settings and preferences, allowing you to make adjustments as needed. Next, locate the Preferences option from the menu. Clicking on this will bring up a list of options that pertain to how you interact with the platform. Preferences in this context are key, as they dictate how the service operates in line with your personal wants and needs. Within the Preferences menu, you'll find the language settings. Here, you can select your preferred language for speech recognition. This is particularly useful if you're multilingual or simply more comfortable operating in a language other than the default. For instance, if you wish to switch to Spanish, you can choose Español from the available options. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to tweak your speech recognition settings in Perplexity. Adjusting these preferences can have a significant impact on your user experience by ensuring that the platform understands and responds to your voice commands correctly. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you personalize Perplexity to better suit your needs. Don't hesitate to revisit these steps whenever you want to make further adjustments or need a quick refresher. Happy customizing!